Hello, I'm Isha Khatu from Impact Magazine, and today we have with us Kenaz Karmakar, Chief Creative Officer of Ogilvy India and Jury President of the Health and Wellness category at Cannes 2026.
Hi, Isha.
Hello. With India's presence at Cannes stronger than ever this year, Kenaz is here with us to share her thoughts and perspectives on the same. Kenaz, welcome, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So, firstly, before the jury room opens, what is your vision for this category in 2026?
I think I would like to start by saying that it is almost unbelievable that I'm here and I'm the jury president of Health and Wellness, because it's a huge honor. So I'm very thankful to the universe and everyone who's helped me along the way to get here. And as far as what we should be doing as a team on health and wellness is, I think we should be together creating a body of work that represents the best of health and wellness from cultures around the world. I think around the world is something that's very important because I really wish that as a team we are able to recognize problems that happen in every corner of the world and give respect to the solutions that come up from there. I'm not saying that an idea should be awarded just because it's coming from a certain place. But I'm saying that we need to definitely be in touch with cultures of various places. We need to check the relevance of the problem connected to that place and take the trouble to read the form and go deep and do research and figure out how relevant that problem is to those people. Because sometimes it's very easy to just glaze over something and, because it doesn't connect with you.
Right.
It doesn't happen in my place. It doesn't connect with me. But it's important to put yourself in the shoes of that place and the people of that place and then evaluate the idea.
Okay, fair enough. How will you balance the emotional power of an idea against the rigor of its execution?
Both are very important. I think especially when you are in competing against the best in the world, you cannot take the emotional power of an idea alone or an execution alone into consideration when you're giving an award. Both are equally important, and they become more important as you climb the ladder of awards. So there's shortlisting, then there is bronze, there is silver, there's gold, there's Grand Prix, and at every stage, both those things are going to be evaluated. Both those things are going to be criticized. We are going to look at it with a magnifying glass, and I think one or the other won't work. The work that will rise is the work that has both.
Yes. Okay, fair enough. So, are Indian entries beginning to reflect the richness of our health landscape in a way that resonates globally?
I think that we won a Grand Prix, and I don't mean we, I mean India won a Grand Prix in 2022. So, definitely it has resonated globally, and I think it's time for it to resonate globally again. But I would still love to see more representation from India in this category.
Okay. Which markets are you most looking forward to seeing health and wellness entries from this year?
I think I don't have a favorite market, and no one should. I'll tell you why. Because the more countries that participate and the more diverse work you get to see, it really makes for a very, very rich pool of work to select from.
Right. What does being a jury president at Cannes mean to you, and what does it say to the next generation of Indian creatives?
I'll be honest with you, being a jury president at Cannes was never something I have actively worked at. Okay, it has not been a goal or an ambition for me. So when I got the email, I was really happy because I felt like I must have done a few things right, And then when I reflected on my life, I realized that the only thing that I've really focused on is doing my work and doing it well. And I've really never focused on anything else. So my advice to all the young creative women out there is that you don't need to focus on the politics. You don't need to focus on any noise that's going on around you. Just do your work well. And have your value system in place, and the rest will fall into place for you.
All right, Giran, how excited or nervous are you for the jury duty?
I think 50-50.
50-50.
Excited 50% and nervous 50%.
Okay, fair enough. So all the best to you.
Thank you.
And it was really great talking to you. So thank you so much.